Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie Bells and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to make another art piece drawing over a photo that I took. In the last video where I did this, I was using a program called Adobe Sketch, and in this video I'm going to be using a program called Procreate. I mentioned in the last video that Adobe Sketch is free, and Procreate, I downloaded it. It costs about $10, but in my opinion it's well worth the money and way better than Adobe Sketch. So I actually took this photo with my Nikon D7100 camera. It was in a national forest just north of the Grand Canyon's northern rim. It was a beautiful day though. It was raining a lot, and I had stopped by this old ranger station cabin. They had set up like a model of what the old ranger stations used to look like, so that's why I could like go up and look through it and I wasn't just trespassing on someone's land. And I was kind of looking through the cabin, like no one else was around. And when I was going back to the car, I looked down and I saw like just so many of these inky cap mushrooms everywhere, and I was like super excited because I'd never seen anything like it. So I just had to like take a picture of it, even though there's like crazy lightning and stuff all around me. I saw a lot of them though, a few clusters of them. So I might do something with those photos later on. I'm just not sure yet. So the creature I'm drawing is something I made up myself. It's called a dwelling spirit. The story behind them is that they travel around looking for a place to inhabit and call home. They become the spirit of whatever they inhabit, and they can dwell anywhere from like a bellflower to like a tree, a mountain, pretty much anything like found in nature. They help whatever they inhabit flourish and change. Now, if their dwelling gets destroyed or dies out, like everything does, they can choose to travel around to find a new home. But oftentimes, these little guys' identity becomes so much a part of their home that when their home does die off, they can choose to wither away with it. But sometimes they choose to seek out a new shelter. But that's what he is. He's a little dwelling spirit. Thanks for watching, you guys, and if you want to see more of my spirits and my behind-the-scene process, just make sure to hit that subscribe button.